How to make no one can chat with you in app on Roblox mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make no one can chat with you in app on Roblox mobile. First thing, go to Roblox and now click these 3 points here in the bottom corner and go down. Here you will find settings, click on it, and after you click on it you will find the privacy, and then just go down here until you find this one, who can chat with me in app. Click on it and then click no one, and now no one can chat with you in app on Roblox mobile. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.